Snowflake shares have skyrocketed since its IPO, but Josh Lipton is taking a look at another reason why CEO Frank Slootman is celebrating the year. Josh?
So, Julie, he's already a very well-regarded tech executive, but now Frank Slootman is one of the best paid as well, thanks to this incredible run Snowflake is on here. It's now up about 230% from its public debut in September. It's on pace for its second positive month in a row, already up about 20% in December. That is good news for Snowflake bulls and Frank Slootman. His current annual salary, $375,000, but his compensation package also includes a tranche of options every month for 4 years, now worth $120 million each. If you factor in all the options that have been and will be awarded, and assuming Friday's closing price of $388, in total, the stock portion of his compensation package over the next 4 years now worth about $5.8 billion, according to Equilar. Slootman is known as an operations guru, a Dutchman with a brash style who describes himself as more Marine Corps than Peace Corps. He's had plenty of success in the world of enterprise tech. Before Snowflake, remember, he ran ServiceNow, and before that, a company called Data Domain, later acquired by EMC and now part of Dell. Now he is in command of Snowflake, a cloud computing company that sells software that helps customers store, process, and visualize vast amounts of data. It competes in a complicated landscape, along with Amazon, which has its own product called Redshift. But Snowflake has impressed the street clearly with a recent better-than-expected earnings report showing top-line growth of nearly 120%. Back to you all.
Hey, Josh, I mean, I know that we're conditioned to be outraged at the extremes of CEO pay. Yeah, these are big numbers. But I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is exactly the kind of model investors should want to see more of. I mean, his base salary, just $375,000. I say just, but for an executive at any level, that's not a ton of money. And this isn't lump sum. It's monthly. Over 4 years, it's only worth all of that $120 million if the stock stays where it is. I mean, this is good. This is getting paid like investors get paid.
Right. So to your point, John, right, the stock drops, it's worth a lot less. It's interesting. I mean, obviously people have piled into this name, and there's a few big reasons. First of all, Frank and his team are attacking a really big market. It's about $56 billion. They're still attracting a lot of customers, clearly in hyper-growth mode. That last earnings report, you still had revenue jumping about 120%. And bulls do like Frank Slootman and his track record. At ServiceNow, as you well know, John, by the time he left, the stock was up more than 5 times under his watch. And clearly there's a lot of people hoping he can do the same now at Snowflake, guys.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.